Hi, my name is HIMAKAR. I am from Machilipatnam from Andhra Pradesh state. I completed my graduation at Seshadira Good-level engineering in the stream of computer science and engineering. So after completion of my graduation, to upskill myself, I came here to Jspiders and enrolled a course Java full stack. And my trainers are Java is taken by Pawan sir, Web Technologies is taken by Geeta ma'am, and SQL is taken by Karishma ma'am. After completion of my course, I given mock in all of them. I got good rating. This mock is very helpful to me to upskill myself by giving how to give presentation and how to give the answers to the interviewer. This helped me a lot. But before joining this interview, I am nothing, and I am feel very difficult to solve the problem by myself, lack of the good instructors. But after joining here, it is very helpful me to gain good in depth of theoretical knowledge and along with the practical knowledge, and the assignments given by the instructors is very helpful to gain the practical knowledge. And after while attending the advanced Java batch, I parallelly added to the requirement. Company name is Covalent, and I attended the groomings, which is very helpful. They groomed me all the concepts of hoops, concept exceptions.